Hey guys, we just found out there's birds in our swimming pool and we're gonna check it out. So yes, your turn to say it.
Oh, and let's see what type we are, and we're gonna keep you posted on it every single day when we vlog. And we're gonna tell you what type they are
And if they hatch.
and if they hatch. So we'll see you next. Bye!